Hi, my name is Kim Cullen, and I'm a personal injury attorney in Winter Park, Florida. One of the concerns that people have when they first sign up with our office is typically, is my case going to be one of those cases that needs to go to trial? And so a lot of people get anxious about this, and they get worried about whether they're going to have to testify in a trial and what that might look like, and they really shouldn't be. Because the majority, if you look at the statistics, the majority of cases that we handle or that any personal injury attorney handles don't even require a lawsuit, much less going to trial. And then of all of those cases that we file lawsuits on, and we probably file more than our fair share of lawsuits for our clients, but of all of those cases, a very small percentage of those cases ever make it to trial. So a lot of experienced attorneys will tell you that it's the threat of trial that actually gets cases settled, and that's very true. So a lot of people then ask the question, well, how can I know if my case is going to be one of those few cases that actually makes it to trial? And there really isn't a way to predict that. There are a couple of factors that might play into that, but nobody really knows for sure. I would say the two factors would be, is your case one that has an unusual set of facts, or maybe it has unusual injuries that insurance companies don't typically see? If that's the case, then insurance companies sometimes have a difficult time evaluating cases that are novel or outside of their typical case pattern or fact pattern. So those cases sometimes become a little bit more difficult to settle. The other factor is, if your expectations are that you're going to get a huge amount of money out of your case, then many times those are the kinds of cases that have to be tried, because insurance companies simply don't want to voluntarily cut a large check to an injured plaintiff unless they have to. So back to the original question, is my personal injury case one of the ones that's going to have to go to trial? And the simple answer is nobody can know the answer to that question. But as lawyers, we have to prepare your case in every case as if this is a case that's going to go to trial, because that's what gets cases resolved. If you have any questions about a personal injury case or whether your personal injury case will need to go to trial, reach out to us. We love to answer questions. All you have to do is call our office at 407-254-4901. You can text us at 407-644-4444. You can email me to my personal email address, kmc@cullen-hemphill.com. If you like the information in this video, I would encourage you to visit our website and our YouTube channel, where we have hundreds of videos on personal injury topics very similar to this one. And if you like the information in this video, please hit the red subscribe button below and you'll be notified of future video releases.